cot of A plus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot B plus cot A. Okay, 2 square is 4, sine square x cos square x, multiplied 2 into 4 is 8. So the required answer is 1 minus 8 sine square x into cos square x. That's it. What is this trigonometric equation? Equations involving trigonometric functions of variables are called as trigonometric equations. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, Temple of Excellence. Now, today I am going to discuss regarding very important problem in exercise 3.3 and 3.4 of trigonometric functions. Now, few problems based on trigonometric functions and the sum and difference of the two angles. Now, let us come to the first problem. The first problem is to prove that cot of x into cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 3x cot x is equal to 1. Now, how to prove this? Just here, since all the terms are in terms of cot, we can make use of the formula, that is, we know this formula. We know that cot A plus B formula. So, using this we can solve the problem. So, we know tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B, whereas cot A plus B is equal to cot A plus B can be written as cot A cot B cot A into cot B minus 1 divided by cot B plus cot A or cot A plus cot B. So, cot of A plus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot B plus cot A. Okay. Now, let us consider cot 3x. Cot 3x can be written as cot of 2x plus x. Cot 2x plus x is cot 3x. Now, this is of the form cot A, cot B, cot A plus cot B. What is A is equal to 2x and B is equal to x. Cot A plus cot B can be written as cot A. What is cot A? Cot 2x into cot B is cot x minus 1 divided by, in the denominator, cot B. What is cot B? That is cot of x plus cot of 2x. On the left hand side we have cot 3x. Okay. Now, just cross multiply, that's it. Here cot 3x, consider cot 3x can be written as cot of 2x plus x. This is of the form cot A plus cot B, cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot A plus cot B. Now, cross multiply this, what we are going to get here, it is cot of 3x into cot x plus cot 2x is equal to, this is cot 2x into cot x minus 1. So, just multiply by cot 3x, this is cot 3x into cot x plus cot 3x into cot 3x into cot 2x is equal to, this is as it is, don't change, cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Now, what is required to find is just transfer this minus 1 to left hand side and remaining term to the right hand side, then we will get this 1 is equal to, minus 1 becomes plus 1 is equal to, this is cot 2x cot x as it is, and transfer these quantities minus cot 3x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot 2x, cot 3x into cot 2x, which is the required answer. See here. So, cot 2x cot x, cot 2x cot x minus cot 2x cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1, which is the required answer. That's it. Very simple problem. So, using cot A plus B, we can solve this problem. Okay. Hope you followed. Now, let us come to the next problem. Now, prove that cot of 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sine square x into cos square x. This is an important problem and easiest problem. Now, we know this formula. Using this formula, we know that cos 2x, multiple angles of A or x, cos 2x is also equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Right, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Using this formula, we can simplify this problem. Okay. Now, let us take LHS. LHS is cos 4x. Cos 4x can also be written as cos of 2 times 2x. Cos of 2 times 2x. So, this is equal to cos of 2x. What is cos 2x? So, this can be written as Now, since using the formula cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x, so here, suppose if it is cos 2x, we can write 1 minus 2 sine square x. If it is cos of 2 times 2x, so instead of x it is 2x, this is 1 minus 2 sine square 2x. 1 minus 2 sine square 2x, right? So, this can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square 2x. Now, this can also be written as 1 minus 2 into sine of 2x whole square. Sine square 2x is nothing but sine 2x whole square. 1 minus, since we know the formula for sine 2x is also equal to 2 sine x into cos x. So, this can be written as 2 sine x into cos x whole square. This is equal to 1 minus 2 into, just apply the square for this, 2 square is 4 sine square x into cos square x. So, if you multiply this, 2 into 4 is 8, 1 minus 8 sine square x into cos square x, which is the required RHS. That's it. Okay. Very simple here. Now, cos 4x can also be written as cos of 2 times 2x. Since cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x, so cos of 2 times 2x can be replaced, just replace x by 2x, that's all. 1 minus 2 sine square 2x. So, for this x, put x is equal to 2x. So, then this becomes 1 minus 2 sine square x. So, cos 2 times 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 times sine square 2x. Sine square 2x is also equal to sine of 2x whole square. Since we know that sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x, so 2 square is 4 sine square x cos square x, multiplied 2 into 4 is 8. So, the required answer is 1 minus 8 sine square x into cos square x. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Hope you followed. Right. Just convert it. That's it. Now, let us come to the next very important concept, that is a trigonometric equation. Finding a solution and the general solution of a trigonometric equation. In this session, we are going to study regarding the solution of a trigonometric equation and the general solution for the given trigonometric functions or an equation. Now, what is this trigonometric equation? Equations involving trigonometric functions of a variables are called as trigonometric equations. So, that is equations involving trigonometric functions of a variable. Trigonometric functions of a variable are called as trigonometric equation, and the value of sin x, we know that the value of sin x and cos x repeats for a definite interval. So, the value of sin x and cos x repeats at an interval of 2 pi, and the values of tan x repeats after an interval of pi. So, the value of tan x repeats after an interval of pi, whereas the values of sin x and cos x will repeat after an interval of 2 pi. So, one is pi 180 degree, another one is 360 degrees. Now, the solution of a trigonometric equation for which x lies between 0 and 2 pi are called as the principal solutions. So, the value of x which satisfies the given equation is called the solution, and that is the principal solution. That is, the value of x which lies between 0 and 2 pi for sin x and cos x and tan x, sin x and cos x are called the principal solution. So, here the value of x which lies between 0 and 2 pi are called as the principal solution of a given trigonometric function or an equation. The expression involving an integer n which gives all the solution of a trigonometric equation is called the general solution. The value of x or theta which satisfies the given equation is called the solution, and there are so many values, there are n number of values which satisfies the given equation is called as the general solution, and we shall denote here z to denote the set of integers, or v1 we can also denote z or I as the set of integer. Now, there are some general formulas to solve this. If suppose if sin theta is equal to sin alpha, if sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then theta is equal to alpha. The general solution for this is given by, the general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha, where n belongs to any integer I or z. So, the general solution for sin theta is n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha. Okay. Now similarly for cos theta, suppose if cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then theta is equal to alpha. The general solution for cos theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to any integer. So the general solution for cos theta is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Okay. Now suppose if tan theta is equal to tan alpha, if tan theta is equal to tan alpha, then theta is equal to alpha. The general solution for tan theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to any integer I or z. That's it. These are the general solution for sine, cos and tan. Here, if sine theta is equal to sine alpha, then the general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha. If cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then the general solution for cos theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. If tan theta is equal to tan alpha, then the general solution for tan theta is n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to any integer. Now based on this, we are going to solve the problem. Now let us take few problems based on this very important concept. Now let us come to an example. Find the principal solution of the equation sin x. So the value of x which lies between 0 to 2 pi for sine is nothing but the principal value here. Now let us find out the value of x first which satisfies the given equation. Now what is given equation? The given equation is sin x is equal to root 3 by 2. The value of theta which satisfies this equation is, since you know that sin 30 is equal to sin 30 of, whereas sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. That means sin of pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. Right. So this can be written as sin pi by 3. So the value of x is equal to pi by 3. One value of x is pi by 3, that is 60 degrees. Right. Now, so one value of x is pi by 3, 60 degree. Another value of x which satisfies this given equation is, to find that value, we know this, sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So sin 180 minus theta comes in second quadrant. In second quadrant, yes, sin is positive. Sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So here sin of pi minus pi by 3 is equal to sin 180 minus theta is also equal to sin pi by 3, that is also equal to root 3 by 2. So this can be written as sin of 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi by 3. So this is also equal to 2 pi by 3. So the values of x which satisfies the given equation are x is equal to pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3 are called the principal solution for the given trigonometric equation sin x is equal to root 3 by 2. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Tan x. Find the principal solution of the trigonometric equation tan x is equal to 1 by root 3. First, find out the value of x which satisfies this given equation. Then find out one more value of x which lies between 0 to 180 which satisfies this given equation. That will give us the principal value. That's it. Okay. Now, for what value of x tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3? The given equation is tan x is equal to 1 by root 3. Since we know that tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. That is nothing but tan of pi by 6 is equal to 1 by root 3. So this is equal to tan pi by 6. So one value of x is pi by 6. Now another value of x which satisfies this equation is, since we know this, tan of 180 plus theta is equal to tan theta. In third quadrant, tan is positive, tan 180 plus theta is equal to tan theta. So this can also be written as tan of 180 is nothing but pi plus here what is theta? Pi by 6. Tan of 180 plus theta, that's equal to tan pi by 6. What is tan pi by 6? That's equal to 1 by root 3. So this can also be written as pi plus pi by 3, pi by 6, pi plus pi by, so x is equal to one value is pi by 6, another one just multiply 6 pi plus pi is 7 pi by 6. So these are the principal values of the given equation. So the principal solution for the equation tan x is equal to 1 by root 3 is pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6. That's it. Now let us come to the next problem. So find the solution of sin x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Now, what is the value given? Sine x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Now, the value of theta which satisfies this equation, first we know that sine of 60 degree, sine 60 is equal to plus root 3 by 2. That is sine of pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. Since this is negative, we can write minus pi by 3 is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So, therefore, the value of x which satisfies this equation is sine x is equal to minus root 3 by 2 can also be written as sine of pi plus pi by 3. See, because you know what is the reason? Sine 180 plus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Sine 180 plus theta is minus sine theta. Sine 180 plus pi by 3, that is 180 plus theta is minus sine theta, that is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So, therefore, this can be written as sine of 3 pi plus 1 pi is 4 pi by 3. So, here alpha is equal to 4 pi by 3. What is the general solution? As I told in the beginning, the general solution for sine theta is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha. So, therefore, the general solution for this equation is x is equal to n into pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha. Here we are going to take it as 4 pi by 3. This is the general solution. That's it. So, where n belongs to any integer z. This is how we are going to find the solution. That is the general solution. Now, let us come to the next problem. Solve cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Same, find out the general solution. First, find out the value of x which satisfies the given equation. Since what is cos 60 degrees, sine 60 root 3 by 2, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So, this can be written as cos of pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. So, here therefore, x is equal to pi by 3. The general solution for cos is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to any integer. Therefore, x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus, what is alpha? Alpha is equal to pi by 3, where n belongs to any integer is the general solution. That's it. Very simple. Now, let us come to the next problem. Solve sine 2x minus sine 4x plus sine 6x is equal to 0. This is very important problem indeed. Now, the given equation can be written as given equation. So, let us group this as sine 6x plus sine 2x as one group minus sine 4x another group is equal to 0. The given equation can be written as sine 6x plus sine 2x minus sine 4x is equal to 0. Now, for this, just make use of sine c plus sine d formula. That's it. Now, using this formula, sine c plus sine d. Sine c plus sine d is equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Sine c plus sine d is equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Using this formula, we can simplify. That's it. Now, this can be written as, what is c? C is equal to 6x, d is equal to 2x. So, this is 2 sine 6 plus 2 is 8 by 2 is 4x into cos 6 minus 2 is 4x by 2 is 2x minus sine 4x is equal to 0. Now, you can take sine 4x common factor, sine 4x out. This is 2 cos 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, here sine 4x is equal to 0 or 2 cos 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, this implies cos 2x is equal to 1 by 2. Now, there are two cases arises. In case number 1, in first case, sine 4x is equal to 0. So, sine 4x is equal to 0 means sine 0 is equal to 0. So, alpha is equal to 0. Therefore, the general solution for this is 4x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha is 0. So, this can be written as n pi divided by 4. So, if you divide by 4, you will get x is equal to n pi by 4, where n belongs to any integer is the solution. That's it. So, divide by 4, n pi by 4, where n belongs to any integer is the general solution for case number 1. Now, similarly, in case 2, let us come to case 2. Case 2, what is that? So cos 2x is equal to 1 by 2. Cos of 2x is equal to 1 by 2 means for what value of theta you will get it as 1 by 2. So since this is cos 60 degrees, sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. This can be written as cos of 60 means pi by 3. So here alpha is equal to pi by 3. What is the general solution for cos theta? The general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. What is theta here? 2x is equal to n pi plus pi by 3 divided by 2 n pi by 2 plus or minus pi by 6 where n belongs to any integer. That's it. This is the general solution for the second case. Okay, hope you followed. Right. Now, let us come to the next problem. Same type, 2 cos square x plus 3 sin x is equal to 0. Right. Now, let us convert this cos square to sine. Since we know that cos square x is also equal to 1 minus sine square x. Cos theta is also equal to, cos square theta is also equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So, the given equation can be written as 2 into cos square is 1 minus sine square x plus 3 sin x is equal to 0. Multiply by 2. 2 minus 2 sine square x plus 3 sin x is equal to 0. Put it in order. 2 sine square x plus 3 sin x plus 2 is equal to 0. Multiply by negative sign. We will get 2 sine square x minus 3 sin x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Simplify this, you will get the factors and find out the general solution. That's it. Okay. Let me simplify. So 2 sine square x minus 3 sin x minus 2. This can be solved by factorization method. This is 2 sine square x minus 3 sin x can also be written as 2 2s are 4. This is 4 sin x plus sin x minus 2 is equal to 0. 4 sin x plus sin x is minus 3 sin x. So, here you can take 2 sin x common factor. What is left over is 1 sin x minus 2 plus 1 common factor sin x plus into minus. It is minus 2 is equal to 0. See here, 2 sin square x into 3 sin x can also be written as minus 4 sin x plus sin x minus 2 as it is. We can take 2 sin x common factor, 2 sin x is gone, 1 sin x minus 2, again plus 1 common factor sin x minus 2 as it is. Now in these two, sin x minus 2 is the common factor into 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here two cases arises again, sin x minus 2 is equal to 0 or another case is 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now let us come to case 1. Case number 1, in first case we can take sin x minus 2 is equal to 0, sin x is equal to 2, right. So here since sin x is equal to, the value of sin lies between 0 to plus or minus 1, since this is greater than 1, so there does not exist, does not belongs to there. So there does not exist any solution for this. Now come to the case number 2. In case 2, what is case 2? We have 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0, 2 sin x is equal to minus 1, sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So just find out the value of x which satisfies this equation. So this is equal to sine of minus 1 by 2 is equal to sine of 7 pi by 6. That is pi by 6 is nothing but 30 into 7, 210 degrees. So therefore the general solution for this is, what is this? X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha. Here alpha is equal to 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 where n belongs to any integer. That's it. So I think you follow this problem. See, very simple. Just factorize this. 2 sin square x into 3 sin x can be written as minus 4 sin x plus sin x. That is 2 2s are 4. 4 can be written as minus 4 sin x plus sin x will give us a value of minus 3 sin x. Group this. Here 2 sin x is a common factor, sin x minus 2. Here plus 1 is a common factor, sin x minus 2. In these two, sin x minus 2 is a common factor. 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. So in case number 1, sin x minus 2 is equal to 0. So sin x is equal to 2 means the value of x should be less than or equal to, since the value of x lies between 0 to plus or minus 1, So, 2, this sin x is equal to 2 is greater than 1. So, therefore, we can reject this and go to the second case, case number 2. 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0, or 2 sin x is equal to minus 1, or sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. The value of x which satisfies minus 1 by 2 in sin x is sin of 7 pi by 6. Pi by 6. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degree. 30 into 7 is 210 degrees, greater than 180 degrees. Right. So, because sin 180 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta in third quadrant. So, therefore, alpha is equal to 7 pi by 6. The general solution is x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n into alpha is 7 pi by 6, where n belongs to any integer. That's it. Hope you followed this. So, these are few problems based on the solutions of a trigonometrical equation. That's all regarding today's session. Let us take with few more problems based on this in the next session. Thank you very much.